Hello everyone and welcome. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your dollars from Risevest straight into your Nigeria bank account. Step 1. Open your app and go to your wallet. First thing you need to do is to log in into your Risevest app. Once you are in, you go to your dashboard and tap on Wallet. Step 2. Select your USD wallet. Now that you are inside the wallet section, you are going to tap on USD wallet. This is where all your dollar balance is sitting. So make sure you are in the right wallet before moving on. Step 3. Tap withdraw. Step 4. Choose withdraw to bank account. Now here is what it depends on your location. Since we are Nigerians, you are going to select withdraw to bank account, which you already did. Step 5. Follow the prompt to finish up. After clicking your Nigeria bank account, you click on withdraw to Nigeria account. Then you input the amount you are going to withdraw, like clicking on 50 US dollar. After clicking on the amount you want to withdraw, then you click on withdraw and follow the prompt. Note, you cannot withdraw without your BVN verified. So if you haven't done that yet, you need to sort that out first. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to withdraw dollars from Risevest to a Nigeria bank account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.